The court will call the matter of Ypsilanti Township versus Diane Johnson, case number 23W004746A.
Paul Barnett on behalf of the township.
Assistant Public Defender Sandra White on behalf of Diane Johnson. Ms. Johnson, can you state your name for the record?
Diane Johnson.
Thank you. Good morning, Miss Diane Johnson.
Morning.
Miss Diane Johnson is valid, so congratulations, Miss Johnson. I think she was valid. She was valid last time she was here too, so I'm not sure why we didn't get it resolved.
I believe it's because Ms. Johnson is contesting the jurisdiction of where this happened.
Place, because we had a resolution in play. So where are we with that?
We did get a copy of the ticket. It does state Ypsilanti Township. Mr. Barnett, you said that you would not dismiss this. There would be an impeding traffic 0 points. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's it. That is correct. That's the offer.
Ms. Johnson, you do not wish to take advantage of that offer. Is that correct?
I just feel like this should be dismissed. Why are we doing impeding? I don't understand this ticket at all. Like, I don't understand it. I got pulled over for no license. I have my license. He's saying impeding. I wasn't impeding. I figured you guys would pull the traffic ticket. I don't
What he's doing is reducing the ticket. So our choice is, I believe you said earlier that Mr. Barnett, is there a body worn camera? Do you know?
I mean, I would have to look into that. I just pulled the ticket.
See, that's what I thought.
There's no report. So they just wrote a citation. I can explore whether there's a body camera as well.
She would like to see if there is a camera showing where the address took place.
I was pulled over.
So let me explain a couple of things. If at the time that you were pulled over, you did not have a valid license, you are not entitled to have this reduced to anything just because you get your license afterwards. That is a courtesy, not an entitlement. So once you are pulled over, if you don't have a valid license, you're guilty of the offense, the misdemeanor. If you're challenging the jurisdiction, meaning that it was not within the jurisdiction of Ypsilanti Township, that is a completely separate issue, and that is something that can be contested. But as far as you getting a license afterwards, does not entitle you to anything in that. Mr. Barnett just simply gives that as an option. So, having said all that,
I'm not to interrupt, but when I got the ticket, whoever I spoke with, she said I could have went to the court to show my license.
That's not how that works, unless you had license at that time. And if you're saying you had license at that time, that would be a completely separate issue.
What do you mean at that time? Like, as far as being valid?
Correct.
Yeah, I have. My license are valid. I don't understand.
I know they're valid now. The question.
No, they were valid. They were valid then, ma'am. They were, like I said, when he pulled me over, I was literally in front of my house. I have 3 cars. My license was in my driveway. I was in front of my house.
So this is a no ops on person. This is what this started out with. You did not have your license on your person.
Okay.
So that's the charge.
But I have license, and then we proven that I had them, and then they dismissed it last time, and then it went to the fact that
they did not. They never dismissed it.
That's what they said, that they would dismiss it.
Okay. All right.
Like I'm saying, I have license. So what are we doing here? I have my license. I showed I have license. We have proof of that. They are valid. So I just want it to be done. Like I said, I have a CCW case that I'm dealing with. I got a lot going on.
Ms. Johnson, as I told you, we could either ask for the body worn camera or set this matter for trial.
What is going to happen when we do a trial? Like, I have my license.
Miss Johnson,
can we get a breakout room so I can speak to her? So I can get a little bit of
Miss Johnson, you need to stop talking like that. Do you understand?
I don't, ma'am. I'm just trying to figure out
what's going on. If you don't understand what's going to happen next, is I'm going to bring you in court, and I hope you don't understand that.
Can I speak to my prosecutor? Is that possible?
No, first of all, you don't have a prosecutor. Secondly, what I just said to you is you need to stop acting like that. Do you understand?
Okay.
Now, what I said to you before is this is not a not valid license case. This is a no ops on person. Right. You either are going to want a trial today, or We're going to continue down the road of determining whether or not this was in the proper jurisdiction. Which one do you want?
Well, like I said, I don't understand. What do you mean by a trial? And she said that's not my prosecutor or somebody. She said she's supposed to help me out. So
I'm going to set this for a final settlement conference on April the 25th, 2024.
I won't be in town, ma'am. I
Right.
won't be in town. I have a flight, actually. So is there a way we could do it quicker than that?
No, ma'am, that is the date. April 25th at 11 a.m. with the jury selection on May 3rd, 2024 at 8:30 a.m.
So what's next? What's going on? Are they going to define the body cam or what? So I can have. So do I need to get a lawyer for this? Like, what's going on? I don't understand this.
I'm done. Call your lawyer. Have a good
Who
day.
is the lawyer?
I am your lawyer. You asked for the prosecutor, and
Right.
he
So
is not your lawyer.
I'm using the wrong language. Why not